What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C-Will. You heard me? We back at it with another slight video, man. Look, today's video, y'all, we gonna be going over the deal, man. People asked me since my last video. Look, y'all was commenting why you sold it, how much you sold it for, how much did you profit, right? So today's video, man, we're just gonna be going over a profit, man. As y'all can see, look, I'm in a good mood, y'all. I'm not down. People ask me now, man, how does it feel to be a regular person? How does it feel to be driving in traffic, y'all? People don't even look at my cars now. They be like, hey man, put your window down, you know, nice car, bro. People don't stop me. People don't, man, y'all, it feels good to just be a normal person with a normal car, man. Like I said, at first y'all was sad. Feel like I let y'all down, my CEEFAM down, but then again, the bigger picture, man, look, my pocket's a little heavier now. You know, it's only been what, I'd say almost a week now since I sold the car, y'all. But yeah, man, we're just gonna be getting into, you know, how much did I make on the car, man. Did I profit 1K, 2K, 3K, 5K, whatever it was, man. So yeah, y'all new to the channel, bro, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. Me getting rid of that car definitely helped my channel. Like, the subscribers been going up, man. So hey, I appreciate y'all, you heard me. And yeah, let's get to it. So if y'all don't know, man, we still got these, you know, mud flaps and stuff for sale for the Dodge Charger. Yeah, still got, you know, the Lighting Trends Flow Series lights, man, for sale. You know, boom, good Flow Series, man. Like I said, y'all, look, $260 local, man, $280 for these. Paid a whopping $400, man, $400 for these, man. So yeah, I'm trying to cut somebody a deal, man. Like I said, I can't use them, so shit, cut somebody a little deal, man. These boys right here, though, these boys already sold, man. So I'm about to go right now, ship these things out through FedEx, man. I actually posted these on eBay, believe it or not, man. So yeah, the carbon exhaust tips, man, sold. Couple people said they was gonna buy them and all that, but hey, man, you know me, I'm all about the money, man. First come, first serve. You know, look, cash good, product good, man. So yeah, finna go to FedEx, man, ship these off. And yeah, once I get back, man, we're gonna talk about the deal, how much I made. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Let's get into it. Oh yeah, this is what we pushing right now, man. As y'all can see, look, I'm still parking the way I want to park, man. Hey, just because the car's changed don't mean nothing. So yeah, look, we still pushing the damn Dart, or we pushing the damn Jeep, you hear me? So hey, whichever car we got at the time, man, that's what we gonna push. But yeah, man, like I said, ain't nothing wrong with being normal, man. You know, it ain't the red key, it ain't nothing crazy, man. But hey, we good though. So boom. I mean, this thing straight. Like I said, this was my first car I ever bought in my life, 2015. You know, I was like 18, 19-year-old C-Will, you heard me? So I started off with this car, so it's good to, you know, step back into my roots, man, and just, yeah, be normal, man. Like I said, ain't nothing wrong with being normal, man. Like, it feel good to just drive down the road, not have to deal with people stopping me, and, you know, I'm just another person. You know, at first, I don't know, I'm not saying I felt lame, but I did feel lame. You go from driving a damn Hellcat Redeye to something like this, it's like, but it's like a reality check, you know. It really keeps you humble. Like, it's like, damn, you know. But hey, man, like I say, ain't nothing wrong with starting over. But yeah, let's hop in, man, get this stuff shipped out and get. All right, CEEFAM, look, just now I got back home, y'all. So look, let's just dive right into the pricing. How much did I list the car for? How much did I profit? Why did I list the car for the price that I listed it for? What the car was worth on the market value, whether it's trade-in to the dealership or private party, man. So let's start off, man, with the market, y'all. So apparently, y'all, I had to do my own due diligence and do my research, right? You know, you don't want to list your car and not have no research on how much your car is worth, how much you can get on the market, right? So me being smart, I went on Kelly Blue Book, man. You type in your VIN number, or you type in your license plate or whatever, right? So I went on there, man, and I seen private party, y'all, right? My car went for, from low side, $83,993 is what I can get for it on the low side. And then max, I could get, you know, $90,668, y'all. So I could either get from 83 to 90, you heard me? And then the private party value, which I'm gonna put this up on the screen too, the private party amount I could get, I guess like the sweet spot will be $87,331, right, y'all? So this was me selling it privately, right? Not me trading it into a dealership, but let's talk trading, right? So trading, man, I'm gonna put this up too for y'all. Trading, I could get low side $80,739, which is great for the dealership because they can, you know, list it at $90,000 or $89,000 and make $9,000 off my head, you know, which is crazy. Or high side, I can make $87,152. All right. the trade-in median or the sweet spot, right, in which I should list my car for according to them, or the trade-in that the dealership should give me that is fair for them and that's fair for me. That number is 83,946, right? So y'all should see, man, like I said, I always do my own research prior to me going into a dealership, prior to me listing any kind of vehicle, right, y'all? So I listed the car, man, on Facebook Marketplace first. That's like my first resort. That's where I list anything, man. If I'm trying to sell something, buy something, whether it's shoes, cars, anything, y'all, Facebook Marketplace, man, right? So I listed the car, y'all, for 86,000. You hear me? So I listed it there, man. You know, dealerships will contact me. Hey, can you bring the car in? I'm not a big fan of bringing my car in, y'all. Look, what you see is what you get, man, right? Because whenever you bring your car in, y'all, they're gonna try to sweet talk you. Hey, man, you know, look, I'll give you this woo 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 right now. Most of the time, dealerships, they try to downplay y'all. They try to lowball y'all. So, and I'm not trying to go in there for a potential lowball and y'all gonna waste my time. I'm not like that, y'all. So I never went into no dealership to show the car off, man. Look, either you gonna offer me on the spot based off the pictures that you see, you heard me, or what the hell we gonna talk about, you heard me? So yeah, dealerships and all have been contacting me, man. People been offering me low ball, blah blah blah. But like I said, I listed the car y'all for 86,000. That was my asking price starting out from the jump. Yes, I could have listed it y'all at 90,000, but you got to think the way I'm thinking. Would I pay 90,000 for a used Charger Hellcat Redeye with 16,000 miles? Hell no. So you gotta put yourself in a buyer's perspective too. You know, although I'm the seller, I have to look at it like, hey, am I gonna be paying, you heard me, 90,000 for a used car? I could order a brand new one for 90 band, right? So you gotta think about that. So like I said, man, I went back to the private party value, right? And it said, you know, the median I could get low side 83.9, or I can get high side 90,600. And that median was $87,331. So what I did one better, right? To be a smart seller, I said, you know what? Okay, the median I could get is 87. So you know what? Let me just price it at 86. Boom. Priced it at 86, man. I kept getting a couple little hits on Facebook, couple little hits, y'all, but nothing was really popping. It wasn't really nothing to make me be like, you know what? Yeah, look, I'll meet you at the bank right now and we can hash it out. So I listed the car on Car Gurus, right? Car Gurus, man, great site. I'm not sponsored by Car Gurus, nothing like that, CEEFAM. So I listed the car on Car Gurus, man, for the exact same price, 86,000. Boom, you heard me? I put the pictures on there. Yeah, I did everything, man. And yeah, man, listed on Car Gurus. And then I said a day or two later, man, these dudes hit me up from Texas Auto Value, man. Shout out Texas Auto Value. That's a wholesaler in Texas, man. They have like people that's working in different states, and they basically buy cars, ship them back to Texas, and then I don't know if they auction them off or if they sell them at their local headquarters in Texas, but they're out of Dallas, Texas, man. So like I said, shout out Texas Auto Value, man. So basically, man, look, I listed the car on Car Gurus, man. Dude hit me up a day or two later, and then it was like, hey, man, look, we'll buy your car off you. Boom. You know, he didn't try to sweet talk me. He didn't try to, you know what I'm saying? And that's unusual for me. Usually, man, if somebody buying a car off y'all, CEEFAM, they gonna try to lowball y'all just to make as much money as they can make, you hear me, on the top end or on the back end, you know? So with that being said, man, I was like, yeah, that's too easy. Look, boom, you want the car for, well, you gonna offer me 86, which was my original asking price? I said, okay, cool, that's too easy. Boom. So the dude ended up sending me, man, 500, bro, PayPal, you heard me? It was in my account. He sent me 500, I guess just to show, look, I'm serious about your car, man. I really want your car. I like what I see. Woo, woo, woo. I said, okay, bad. So yeah, man, he had sent me the 500, man. I think it was like Thursday or Friday, you heard me? And then I think we made the transaction that following Tuesday, you know, and I think that was like the 14th or the 15th, man. So yeah, look, that 500 was already there. So yeah, ended up meeting dude at Chase Bank. We, you know, y'all already seen the video. If you didn't check out the last video, man, go see that. But basically, y'all, now let's get into the 10-day payoff, man. So 10-day payoff on my car, man. I ended up I owed $83,718.43. Like I said, I'm gonna put this up for y'all, man, so y'all can see. I ended up owing $83,718.43. Keep in mind too, y'all, so it was like the 14th or the 15th, man. So this right here was the 10-day payoff, including the payment that I was supposed to make. You know what I'm saying? So we made the deal on the 14th or the 15th, and I was supposed to already like make a payment. You know what I'm saying? So if I would have made that, let me see. Let me go to the calculator for y'all, man. So if I do that, what, 83,718.43 minus my payment on the car, which is like, you know, $13.60 a month, right? That gives me a whopping, what's that, $82,358, right? So if I would have made that payment, you know what I'm saying, and then I would have cashed out on that $86,000 check, you know what I'm saying? So that's what, let me take a screenshot of that, because yeah, I'm bad, y'all, I'm bad. Let me see. So shit, if I did 86,000, right, minus what I just told y'all, let me see, let me go back to my photos, man. 86,000 minus 82,358, boom. So all in all, y'all, I basically would have profited what, $3,642, man, on the back end, right? So essentially, y'all, that's basically what I had profited, man. You know, like I said, if I would have made that payment to bring that down, then I would have profited, man, 3,000. Well, I basically did profit 3,600, man. You know, do I feel bad about selling the car, man? No, not really. I did at first, you hear me, but yeah, like I said, on the big and better things, y'all. So like I said, man, we ended up owing, you know, that $83,718, right? Pending that I made that payment, shit, we was at $3,642, man. So yeah, man, I basically profited, you know, over $3,500 on the car. You know, like I bought the car, y'all, at $95,000, then I sold it, you know, at $86,000. So people say, man, oh, you know, these cars lose value, da 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 da. Yo, the car is gonna lose value. I don't care if you buy a damn Mercedes Benz. I don't care if you cashing out on Porsche, Panamera, 911, whatever y'all want, or think that's super expensive, a Lambo. It's gonna lose value regardless, y'all, 100%, right? But I feel like this car definitely held its value, man. You know, like, I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all was probably expecting me to say, oh man, I profited 5,000, 10,000 off the car. Y'all, that's not realistic, man. You know what I'm saying? Especially me, like, I'm making monthly payments, y'all, $1,300 a month, 13. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, I basically paid the car down a lot. You know, at least I would think. You know what I'm saying? Going from 95,000 to 83,000 or whatever I had owed, or 82, whatever it was, y'all. You know, to selling it for 86. Like I said, y'all, profited. You heard me? I got out of that car. I'm not saying I'm debt free, but I'm more debt free, right, than I was. You know, so yeah, man, we profited, man, over 3,500. You heard me? So yeah, like I said, man, I'm gonna put up the paperwork and all that, man. Like, I'm not here trying to sugarcoat nothing, y'all. Y'all know how I am. Like, I got the receipts. A lot of y'all favorite YouTubers, I ain't calling out no names, but they like to sugarcoat things. They don't like showing the paperwork. I hate when people do, like, oh, how much I pay for insurance, how much did I get my car for, but don't show no paperwork. All y'all doing is talking word of mouth. Oh yeah, you know, I got this fire interest rate 2.2% and 84 months or 72 months or 60 months. They don't show no proof, y'all, man. The proof, at least for me, is in the pudding, man. So yeah, look, I show the proof, y'all. You know, I got the paperwork, the bill of sale, yeah, all that stuff, you heard me? So yeah, man, like I said, y'all, appreciate y'all for stopping in, man. You know, sorry if y'all feel like, you know, I should have profited more, I could have profited more. Y'all, it's not me, it's the market. Like I said, I could have listed the car, y'all, at 90,000, but that's not realistic. You got to be a realistic seller and a realistic buyer. You know what I'm saying? I could have taxed them for 88 probably, or 90, but come to find out, y'all, like, people from Dallas, they actually was hitting me up. They was like, hey man, you know, ooh, I seen your car, because I guess they had left my Instagram and all that stuff on there, so my YouTube. So I said, okay, yeah, that's free advertisement. I wasn't gonna take it off. But yeah, people was hitting me up. So they ended up listing the car, y'all, in Dallas, Texas, man. If y'all want the cars in Dallas, Texas, you heard me, listed it for $92,000. Which, as I showed y'all, market value on a car, whether it's trade-in, private, whatever, the max that people can get is $90,000 on that car. Or the max they can get is $90,000. So it's over the market right now, which is not smart for them. I'd have probably listed it at 90. Bought it from me for 86. Then, you know, listed for 90. That's a $4,000 profit. That's good if you ask me, for any dealership. You know what I'm saying? Especially in the market right now. So yeah, man, they ended up listing it, man, for $92,000. You heard me? So I'm like, hey, I mean, that's on y'all. Y'all can do whatever y'all want with that car, man. Like I said, I had my fun with it, CEEFAM. I got everything out of it, man. Like I said too earlier, man, like, not all bad situations are bad situations. Not all bad situations have a bad outcome. Me selling that car, y'all, we almost at 6,000 views in like 4 days. You know what I'm saying, y'all? So me selling that car, it brought more people to the channel, actually. You know what I'm saying? It brought more, like more suspicion to the channel. It brought more like, damn, what is CEEFAM gonna do next, right? So more people tuning in to what I got going on, man. So I'm not saying I'm capitalizing off a bad situation, but in a way I am, you hear me? So but yeah, man, like I said, hey, thank y'all so much, man, for stopping in, y'all. I definitely do appreciate y'all with all my heart, man. I'm not nothing without my CEEFAM, you hear me? I appreciate y'all that been tuned in since way back in the day. Appreciate y'all that's just now tuning in right now. Just know, man, look, it's not the end, y'all. But yeah, man, comment down below, man. How y'all feel about the deal? You know, like I said, sold it for $86,000. I bought the car for $95,000. Sold it at $86,000. Basically profited $3,500 off the car, right? Which in turn got me all of my wrap money back, because I think I spent $2,500 on the wrap, plus, you know, any other mod that I got on the car, man. So I definitely feel like I got all my mod money back that I spent on the car, you know. So that's all I can really ask for, man. You know, I got out of a, I'm not even gonna say a bad situation, I got out of a mediocre situation, you know, whether it's me paying too much or me, you know what I'm saying, capitalizing off the market, y'all. I did what was best for me, CEEFAM, and I just hope all y'all can understand that and or respect that, you know, because yeah, I respect everybody. I mean, I respect all y'all comments, y'all opinions, y'all feedback pertaining me. But yeah, man, like I said, y'all, look, y'all new to the channel, man, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. Turn on that post notification bell, man, because just because y'all subscribe, it's not going to tell y'all whenever I'm dropping, unless y'all turn on that post notification bell, you hear me? So look, turn that bit on, man. I'm C-Will, y'all my CEEFAM, and I holla at y'all, baby!